As camping season kicks off for most folks, I thought I'd take a few minutes and show a couple of my new favorite camping accessories from a winter trip in February. The InnoStage heavy-duty portable fire pit and the Vevor Swivel Grill. There are Amazon links in the description, and I hope you enjoy.
Alright, so there should be 4 or 5 skinny pieces in the bag there if you want.
Okay.
Okay. So these will interlock.
Aha. Like building Lincoln logs.
Yeah.
One under, one over.
Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Put it this way. This way. Okay. So then,
That's pentagon, not pentagram.
so it's the inside holes, I guess.
Uh-huh. No.
Okay, let's look at the picture again. It shows them all together, and then you set the thing on it. It's way too small.
It's like they gave you the
Is
wrong
there another
ones.
piece? We're missing a piece. No, it's 5. There's 6 of them.
Aha. Aha.
Hey, that's great for
It's a stop sign, not a
It's great for the video.
pentagon. Yeah.
Alright.
Make sure you get everything out of the bag.
Alright, so I'm like, man, that's awfully small.
Yeah.
Let's see, I bet that fits better. And it says to
Hey,
use
son of a gun.
use those. Uses these ones. And then, I wonder why. So these, strangely,
That's so you can pick it up and move it, I suppose.
probably, because they don't actually screw into anything.
So you just got to put a nut on the end of them.
Yeah, they just go through the hole here. If you want.
Wonder how these end up.
After you've had about 2 fires in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ability to take them out.
Well, my thought is that once this base is put together,
Yeah.
I will keep it just put together like this.
Right.
I'll only deal with the.
You got some extras.
Yeah, looks like it.
Probably for that instance we were talking about where
Yeah, you lose
something
one.
gets messed up, or just gonna put them together so you can keep them together.
Cool. All right, let's start putting sides on then.
All right.
One. Okay, so an InnoStage. Let's do a name one. Actually, let's do the name there.
Okay.
Towards us, yeah.
Gotta have 6 hands.
Yeah, a little fiddly, but
There's that one.
lined up. Boom.
Boom. We have made fire pit.
Yeah. Well, I guess that worked out all right.
Yep.
Okay. So now let's just slide it over closer to that.
Cooker steak.
Yeah, we can knock that down in a little bit further then. You want to drive that down a little further, make it a little more stronger. That'll probably be fine. And then Let's light a fire.
That's a lot of fire. Yep. That's just right.
Like a professional.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll work good tonight.
Yep. That's smoky.
Yeah, we ain't having none of them now smokeless solo pits out here camping.
Nope.
We need heat.
That'll do it.
Ah. Oh, chair, have a sit down.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Good stuff, Maynard.
Heck yeah. You reckon your beans are starting to warm up a little?
Yeah, I think they'll start warming up. The bottom of that pan's warm. We just need them warm, so.
Right. I'm going to put the steaks on then.
Okay. Steak on fire.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was working out pretty good.
Yep.
You need anything, brother?
No, man. You need to flip the steaks, though. Because they're on fire. I think they'll be edible.
Okay. The beans are kind of warm.
Thanks for coming out and working together today. If y'all like this video, check out these videos and other projects. Leave me a comment. Check out my other links in the description or subscribe for future videos from How Fred Does It. That's how we did it. Thanks all. Take care.